What's up, guys? We're out here at TK Auto Works, and today we're doing something I've been wanting to do for a long time, which is getting this Brz manifold in my car.
Roberto hates the black intake manifold that comes factory, so tell him what we're upgrading to.
This is the Brz red manifold because they actually have a plastic one that kind of looks like crap. This one's just kind of nicer. It's metal. It's just a really nice piece.
It has the STI red powder coating.
Exactly. That's exactly what it reminds me of. And there's a lot of benefits of running this. An extra 25 horsepower.
No TGVs.
No TGVs. And in the future, I'll be able to run the fuel rail, so I can do port injection once I build my block. Because as it is, I'm gonna be pushing what the engine can take. But this is all to kind of future-proof myself, so whenever I'm ready to do that, I only have to spend the money on that one thing.
And we can go full E85.
Yes.
So that's going to be in the future. But today we're just going to show you a little bit about this kit and go over that, and then the next video will be the install video to walk y'all through how to put this on your WRX.
It's straight up like an OEM part.
Yeah, this is
it's very high quality. A lot of people think OEM parts are kind of garbage. I think some stuff is actually built very well.
Yeah, because
it's got the nice gaskets in here. And I guess let's show them the actual.
Let's show them the kit.
The actual kit. This is what it comes with. This on the side. This is by the guys that I built race cars,
and they tell us that they love us.
That's always a plus. As you can see here, this comes with block off plates to basically put all the holes, plug all the holes where the
injectors would go.
Exactly. Yes. And they even give you a nice Allen key. I guess most people don't have that.
A little O-ring, and this is to convert your WRX throttle body to this one.
And this right here, it looks just like a normal TGV, but it's a little bit different. It's specifically made for the Brz manifold. It's a pretty nice piece, CNC built, and you got the IBR logo right there. I'm pretty excited to finally get this going, and
it comes with an adapter to extend your throttle body. So real nice kit, comes with all the hardware.
Yes.
Everything you need to install it.
Well, actually, there's something else that you need to install this, and that is the actual piping. It's different. It's because instead of it looping around to the back, now it goes to the front. So in theory, there should be less lag as well. This one is the one that I went with since I have an ETS intercooler, and this is the ETS front pipe. These guys work together with the IBR guys to make this happen. I think it's just so cool that they were able to repurpose an OEM part to make it work with this, and I don't know, it's just exciting. It's definitely very safe in there.
They got good packing.
It's kind of expensive for what it was. I think it was like $300 for literally
just this. But it feels really heavy duty quality.
Yeah, ETS stuff, in my opinion, is
some of the best.
Very, very nice. Nice silicone. What are these even called?
Couplers.
Couplers.
But yeah, some very, very nice quality stuff.
For sure.
And then ETS on there, got their nice logo. Come with T-clamps. So
this is pretty much it. We just wanted to give you guys an update on all the parts that we got in order to do this. And here in a little bit, we're about to shoot the install, and we will post that at a later date. And we're just excited to see what kind of numbers this
we
can
pick
throw
up,
down.
yeah.
We're actually gonna hold off on the tune. We're not gonna get the tune as soon as we install this. We're gonna
do it when we get the port injection and all that.
When we get the
and then
IBR fuel pump.
Yeah, and then we're waiting on the fuel pump to go full 85, and then we'll finish doing the tuning with that. That way we can go full 85, because on the DIT motors right now you're not supposed to go over 50%. Like that's probably about the limit. If you go over that, you'll burn up that high volume fuel pump.
Yeah.
So we don't want to do that. But yeah, guys, as always, you know, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you're thinking about doing this to your WRX. And if you have any questions of, like I said, any on the parts, or if y'all need any parts, you know, just hit me up. I'm actually a dealer for a lot of this stuff. And probably gonna try to do a code to give you like 10% off, 5% off, or whatever I can do. Some things you can discount, some things you can't. Just matters on the dealer policy. So yeah, hit us up if you need any parts too. Like I said, I got the own shop. We're actually super busy doing work for Subaru and everything. And go follow Forum Driven Media's channel. He's got one too, because you're gonna post this on your channel too, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, so it'll be posted on both channels, and then we'll go from there. But in the next one, we'll be installing it and getting everything bolted up for some more power. And we got a lot of stuff coming for his WRX.
The car is gonna be sick once it's all said and done.
Yes.
But anyways, thank you guys, and catch us on the next one. Peace.
Take it easy. Thanks for watching.